Hey everybody and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to guide you through the process if you want to change the Discord application's icon. So the new update allows us to do it. So for that, you can access the Discord, and if you have not updated the app, make sure it is updated and you can re-log in into your Discord and you should be finding this particular home interface once you are logged in. So within here, you can look out for your profile in the bottom right corner and select it, and this is your profile that should be appearing. Within this profile, what you may do is look out for the gear icon in the top right corner and select it. And once you select it, you should be accessing your Discord settings. Now within here, you may just scroll down and you should be finding option called app icon. So it is under app settings. You can find app icon and tap on it. And once you tap on app icon, there you'll be finding different themes available. So what you may do is look out for the one that you prefer. There are different versions available such as Sunset, Holo, etc. So if I would like to apply, you just need to tap on the one that you would like to apply. For example, Sakura. And once that is done, you can select this option of Get Nitro. So to use this feature in Discord, you need to have the Nitro version of Discord. So you can tap on Get Nitro if you do not have the Nitro version. And once you select it, you can select the plan that you can afford or that you would prefer and just tap on it. After that, you just need to go over, tap on one of the uh, yearly or monthly plan and tap on purchase. And once that is done, just go on with the payment process provided up. You may just go over and providing your card details of your credit or debit card and just go ahead and tap on save card. And once it is confirmed, you will be getting the Discord Nitro version and you will be having a different app icon that you may be looking for. And that is it, everybody. You may follow up this process. For that, make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe.